My name is Lucero, and I am an evening student. I went to law school because I had done my undergrad and master's in criminal justice at Arizona State, and I always had a big interest within that field. And so I took some time and I applied to a law office where I worked as a legal assistant. And from there, I explored, did a little bit of research, and decided that law school was the best fit. So I chose McGeorge because I had felt most at home. I felt the admissions team was very personable. I felt that they were very welcoming. I never had an unanswered question, and it just felt most at home. Since I've been here on campus, I felt that the resources provided here have just been what really sets McGeorge apart. I've always felt like I have a place to turn to, no matter what my issue or problem is. I always have a resource on campus to go to get my problems fixed, or to feel like if I feel like I need to be heard or I need to express something, I know which program or which office, which resource to go to. So the Health Law Association is fairly new on campus, and we've brought in professionals within the field to come speak to our students, and we have some events coming up that we're looking forward to introducing more students to the health law side of our profession. So LAWSA I've been a part of since I first got here on campus. It is a student organization that is open to everybody, but we have a big Latinx population here on campus, and so we have socials, different service events on campus, a place for students who identify alike to come and just have their own community here on campus. I am currently the programming manager here at McGeorge for the Center of Inclusion and Diversity. And with the CID, it's kind of complex. So we have a physical space here at McGeorge on the second floor of the Student Center, where students of any program can come. That we have snacks, we have resources, you can study, hang out with your friends, as well as we also do support the organizations that fall within Unity Caucus. Currently, I am working at the California Victim Resource Center, and where we work with victims' rights, and that's been a big interest of mine thus far. I've also done personal injury too, which also is another big interest of mine, but I'm pretty open to what the road entails. So I would definitely recommend the JD's program to prospective students, especially the options that McGeorge has here on campus. Like I said earlier, I am currently an evening student, which has given me a lot of flexibility in order to work and maintain my job while taking classes with either in the morning or evening time. And it's definitely doable. Like, it's going into college or going into law school, I was so nervous, especially being an out-of-state student and a first-gen student. I was always so nervous to take on this mountain. But I feel ever since I've gotten here, I've been able to combat this mountain, or the struggles, the hurdles that I've been faced with, one step at a time. And I'm still here. I'm still, doing my best. I have the support I need. I have the resources that I need, and it's definitely an option for everybody, not just the top straight A students or the students who this wasn't their initial focus. Like mine, it's doable. Like, you can do it. My biggest advice would be to reach out. If no matter what law school or program that you're deciding to go to, reach out to students, faculty, staff, who you connect with, and ask those questions. Ask the resources that help them become successful. As far as first gen, once you are here, or once you do enroll in the program, I would say find your group. Find that group that makes law school feel like a little bit more like home. Make it feel like, find that group that makes you feel like you belong, because imposter syndrome is a big thing that I feel like a lot of students deal with that they don't talk about. So my biggest advice is to reach out for help. Don't wait till it's too late.